Hello, my name is Quinn Seagraves and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia on Lake Lanier. Today we're going to be standing aboard a very tried and true fishing boat that will be great for inland lakes, some nice rivers, or some bay boat style fishing. This is going to be the 19 Montauk by Boston Whaler. Here in the back you will notice that we've done a nod to the past with our teak cockpit step and side steps on this boat. You'll have two built-in loungers or seats in the back. Power is a Mercury 150 and the simple leaning post slash forward-facing chair here at the helm. This one does come equipped with your Simrad JL radio and all of your light switches and a Simrad. So if you're trying to go offshore, this one would be equipped pretty nicely for you. You will have the Bimini top hardtop. And here in the front, we have gone with the more elegant low-profile rails to give you a nice clean bow. If you're doing some fishing, you can stand up here on the sides, do your casting. When it comes time to lounge, you will have the cushion package, and with this model, you already have your hookup for your trolling motor in the bow. Nice little tie-off cleat as well for your anchor. This boat is wonderful for fishing. It's wonderful for lake use. Rated up for 8 people, so we'd love to get you out on the lake if this is the boat you're looking for. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and we are ready to see you today.